Yep, what's up YouTube gang? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to show you how to sample in flstudiomobile. Make sure you watch the video until the end and subscribe, comment, like, and share. So here I have my samples.
Hold my hand. My feet low. Your room not here. For it, see my sin come.
Let me take this one. So we're gonna try to copy it up. The BPM is 100, and yeah. When you chop, you need to find something that is repetitive. That's a good job. You need to slice by holding here on the sample, go to more, slice it, and then do the same thing here, more, slice it, remove everything, copy, also slice here, hold, slice, or just press once, and you go to the beginning of the track, right? It goes like, let's remove this one. This part I need it at the end. Let's see. I need this part, the last part here at the end. But that's how this sample makers do samplers. They start with 3-bar loop, and the end it switch up. Let me listen.
For his mercy, for his mercy, for his
can remove this, add this one.
For he is my mercy,
Yeah. You can play with the pitch and all that. I don't want to play with the pitch here because everything I sound like is good. So now on the sample, we need to add effects like cut out the loose here. Add reverb. You can add compressor. I hope it's still audible, man. We gotta add the drum. Or after, you can save the sample. We gotta make sure like the sample is clean, bro. There's no problem with the sample, cause I feel like there's too much music. I hope it's dope. Can use FX2 now to find the key of the sample. There's no key. That's not possible. I think the key is A major, because you can see like on the orbit. Yeah, man. Let me not add the drums, man. Let me just relax. Yeah, but you see how to sample in flstudiomobile is very easy. Just play around and slice and chop it up. Yeah, man. Maybe I'll add the drums in the next video, but that's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like and share all my videos.